noticed you dropped a couple of things while you were talking to me. I'm just worried that we're okay to make it home while we got 2 kids in the back of the
Piece of shit! Fucking hate my life!
Okay.
Take me to jail!
Okay.
You do whatever you want with these kids!
Okay.
I don't
Date, the 29th of September, 2024. Location Route 14 at Route 47, Woodstock, McHenry County, Illinois. Incident traffic stop for red arrow violation and erratic driving, resulting in DUI arrest and 2 counts of child endangerment, with minors present in the vehicle.
Good evening, how are you?
Hi. It would be better if you didn't have such bright lights on me.
I understand that. Do you have your driver's license and insurance on you?
I'm going to find that, and I was talking to my husband who doesn't help me out with anything.
Okay. About?
Life.
Oh, I gotcha. Oh, you're on the phone?
I was on the phone.
Okay. Are these your kiddos in the back?
Yes. I got 2 of them.
Oh, they're sleeping. We don't have to roll the window down. I was just curious.
I actually have the thing saved.
Okay. Do you know why I stopped you tonight?
No.
Well, so first thing, you turned left on a red arrow there at 14 and 47, and then you were all over the road. You crossed the yellow line. You were almost in the ditch with the whole truck. Then you came back in and out. You're riding the grass.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I multitask on a regular basis.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Have you had any alcohol that you drink tonight?
No.
Any drugs of any kind?
Oh gosh.
Okay. What's got you driving like that?
Well, I have 2 kids that are just constantly on my case. Always asking me for things. And
Sure.
So, yeah.
Okay. Did you realize that you were all the way over the shoulder in the grass driving down Route 14 at any point?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd that happen?
Trying to navigate my 2 toddlers.
Okay. What were you doing with your 2 toddlers that got you off the road multiple times?
Picking up, trying to find their tablets.
Okay. Do you usually have motor skill issues? I noticed you dropped a couple of things while you were talking to me. I'm just worried that we're okay to make it home while we got 2 kids in the back of the car.
I promise you I will be. I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay.
I'll be good.
Okay. Did you know that you turned left on a red arrow?
I thought I made it just in time.
It was pretty solid red when we went through, but you recognized that it was red at some point. I gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Okay. All right, Mr. Oh, what'd you get there?
I put my ring on last night that was too tight.
Oh, is it swollen?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you, are you particularly tired or anything right now?
I'm always tired.
Okay. Because like I said, with what I noticed, the driving, seems like you get some motor skill issues, okay? Your eyes are a little glassy. I'm worried that you're okay to drive because what I saw was dangerous. I just want to make sure we're good. So you're more tired than particular today?
I am.
Okay. Okay.
If you want to follow me to where I'm going, I'd be happy to. That'd be
Sure,
fine.
sure. First thing I want to do is just make sure that we're able to get there, because from what I just saw, I don't think you are able to get there. So what I have you do real quick is called a finger dexterity test. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and then I'll have you complete it. Wait till I'm done with the instructions. But what you're going to do is you're going to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger, and you're going to count out loud 1 to 4, and then you're going to go backwards. And you're going to do the test twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when I tell you to start, I want you to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger and then count the number out loud each time, forward and backwards twice. Do you have any questions about that test as I've explained it to you so far?
Nope.
Okay, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. All right. So, we on the phone right now. Were you texting on the phone or talking on the phone? You said you were something with your husband or.
I don't know. I always.
Gotcha. Okay. What I want you to do is if you can step out of the vehicle for me and come talk to me back here real quick, okay? All right, then just right here so we're out of traffic and we're safe, okay? All right. So you haven't had any alcohol tonight, no medications, nothing
I'm
like
good.
that? Okay. Right now it seems that you are impaired, okay? And I want to make sure we make it home, okay, especially with the kids in the back. They're your kids, right, son and daughter? Okay. And then you were leaving the Madison house, going to check on the horses right now?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so I want to run you through a couple of tests. I just want to make sure you make it home. I'm worried about you and the kids, okay? Once we get done with that, we can be on our way. Sound good? All right, Miss Dirks, the first thing I want to test is your eyes, okay? I'm going to give you some simple instructions while I do that. Can I have you stand with your feet together and your hands at your side? And just remain in this position while I give you the rest of the instructions. You understand that so far?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so what I want you to do is with your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to follow the tip of this pen here, okay? With your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Keep your head still for me. Okay, when I say begin, what I want you to do is take a series of 9, okay? Let's take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. When you get to the end, I want you to take a series of small steps, keeping that lead foot planted, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, okay? Do you understand the instructions I've given you so far? Okay, you may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right, Ms. Dirks. At this point, it does appear that you're impaired by something. You're telling me you haven't had any alcohol tonight.
No.
Okay. Well, from what I've seen, you are too impaired to drive. Okay. That being said, you have 2 small children in the car with you. Okay. Is there somebody who can drive them home safely? Because at this point, I don't think you're capable of doing that.
You?
I can't do that. No, I don't have car seats. Your husband? Is that a possibility?
Are you going to take me to jail?
Yes. At this point, you were driving under the influence. I've determined that you were too impaired to drive, and you definitely can't be driving with the kids. Not to jail, to the police department and back home. But in the meantime, is there somebody who can watch your children?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's
Who?
call him.
Yeah. Is for your phone in the car? Hold on.
Mind if we grab it so you don't
Just because of traffic.
Is that okay?
Go ahead.
Yep, thank you.
Is he close by? Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it-
This will just make my divorce go quicker.
Is there anything illegal in the car right now? Okay. No open alcohol or anything? No, you can talk to him.
Nope,
Okay.
not.
Hi, this is Officer Gallman with the Woodstock Police Department. I'm here with Miss Dirks.
Yes.
So we are currently at Route 14 between 47 and Dean. Are these your children that are with her?
It's on Bluetooth.
Oh. Can you hear me now, sir? It hooked up to the Bluetooth. Okay. So I'm asking, I'm at 14 between Dean and 47 with Miss Dirks. Are these your children that are with her? Is there a chance that you could come pick them up? Okay, that's fine. All on. Here's your phone
I
back.
don't want my mother.
I mean, you asked me to call him, and that's who's coming. So,
Oh no.
well,
No.
you don't really have a choice in that right now. Why can't? No, your mother, yeah, right? You don't want that?
Absolutely not.
Why is that?
Because they all fucking judge me for everything I do, and I fucking take care of everybody.
Okay. I'm just looking for somebody responsible who can grab your kids and watch them
Fucking
temporarily.
Piece of shit. He said the fucking dad, and he can't come get him.
I don't know why. I mean, does he have work? Has he been drinking?
No.
I don't know. I don't know.
What? You're sending my fucking mom over here?
Piece of shit.
Fucking hate my life. Take me to jail.
Okay.
You do whatever you want with these kids.
Okay.
I don't fucking
Whoa, relax.
hate my fucking
Stop.
life.
You don't want to see your kids to see you like this.
Oh,
Stop.
God, you guys didn't know what I have been through every day. I get fucking abused. I'm a fucking abused piece of shit. Don't push. I don't. You don't
Stop.
have to do that. I am not. You don't have to do that.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
You don't have to do that.
Okay, let's go back to your children. Don't see this, okay?
You don't have to do that.
I do, because you're under arrest. And you're being belligerent. And you've almost run into traffic 3 times. So let's act right while your daughter is watching you, please. I don't want to do this to your kids, so please act right.
Thank you.
Don't make me do this to them. Gotcha.
Can't see it.
Gotcha. Do you have anything illegal on you right now? Any weapons of any kind?
You can look at me.
I will. I'm just asking you for my safety precautionary. Okay, thank you. No needles, no knives. Okay. You have a wallet or something in the car you want?
Mark.
Okay, we're gonna go in the rear of this car, okay?
Can you undo this before my mom comes?
No, I can't undo it till we get to the
She
police
won't even see
department.
it. She won't even see it.
Okay, so let's go to the car, please.
I need to get my wallet.
I'll get it for you. Have a
Lawful stop, 625 ILCS 51, 1 to 306 red light, and 625 ILCS 51, 1 to 709, improper lane usage, Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. A stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion of a traffic violation. Both elements are met. No Fourth Amendment issue arises. SFST Framework NHTSA 2023 manual recognizes 3 validated tests: horizontal gaze, nystagmus walk and turn, and one-leg stand. The finger dexterity test administered here is not NHTSA validated. It carries reduced probative weight and is subject to Daubert challenge at trial. HGN admissibility. 4 or more clues indicate BAC at or above 0.08 with 77% accuracy. Illinois Supreme Court in People v. Said. McCown 236 IL. 2D 2782010. Confirmed HGN results are admissible as scientific evidence in DUI prosecutions. DUI threshold 625 ILCS. 511 to 501(2) requires impairment to an appreciable degree. This means a discernible diminishment of driving ability, not extreme intoxication. The specific impairing substance need not be identified to establish probable cause for arrest. Miranda timing Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984. Roadside questioning during a traffic stop is not custodial interrogation. Miranda warnings are not required. All subject admissions in this phase are fully admissible. Child endangerment, 720. ILCS, 5/12C, 5A. This charge is legally independent of the DUI count. Erratic driving with minors in the vehicle satisfies the endangerment element regardless of the outcome on the DUI charge at trial. Arrest force. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Force is evaluated by objective reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. Verbal redirection and handcuffing constitute proportionate, justified, soft, empty hand control. Probable. Cause Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Applies a totality of circumstances standard. Red light violation, erratic driving, motor skill deficits, glassy eyes, and SFST clues collectively satisfy Fourth Amendment probable cause for a DUI arrest. Lessons learned 1. Always complete the full 3-test NHTSA battery to eliminate evidentiary gaps. 2. Non-standardized tests should supplement, never replace validated SFSTs. 3. Child endangerment and DUI are independent charges requiring separate evidentiary foundations. 4. Voluntary SFST participation removes a defense argument while documenting impairment clues.